Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about JavaScript string replace function. You may have been using JavaScript for a long time, and you have experience in using string replace function in your day-to-day development. It gives you the functionality to replace some text in a string with regular expression support. The typical use case is something like this. You can replace some text in a string with regular expression. So Lucy is 16. It can be replaced. Then you got Lucy is unknown. So this is a very classic usage. But what if you want to handle some advanced case? In some case, you want to replace some text in a string, something like, and I'll say Adam 100, Mike 95. Probably this is a string for your students with their scores. And you happen to see that you have to reduce the score by 5 for each student. Say Adam 95, Mike 90. What can you do with it? Do you have to pass a string and do some tedious coding to handle it? Say to pass the score and convert to a number and minus by 5, then get the score and build the string again. No, you don't have to do that. You replace function. You can also give a callback function to the call. In the callback, so you can do whatever you want. You will be given the match, the groups. So let me show you quickly. So replace. Of course, you are looking for a name, a score. And here I'll show you that. So in the callback, the first parameter is the match, the occurrence. And second is the first group, which is the name, then the score. So this is what we will be given. Okay. Here, I can quickly print the name, score. Here I just return nothing. I return match. Okay, I miss let me see, this replace. Okay, you can see that. So the name is Adam, the score 100, Mike 95. So for each occurrence, the function, the callback function will be called. You will be given the match, name, the score. So the match, first group, second group. So that's the parameter list. So in this way, you should probably already know that we can simply build the return here. Instead of return the match, of course, we need to follow the same pattern. Say name and the score. We want to reduce by 5. Let's see. Yeah, Adam 95, Mike 90. So that's what we expect. Okay, so this is the usage of replace. You'll probably be aware of the callback function already. If not, you can go to the documentation here. So this is a Mozilla developer reference. In the syntax part, you will see the replacer function is here. So replace. In our case, we are using this signature replace, regular expression, and the replacer function. It also gives you a very detailed description of the replacer function here. It's a replacement. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Hopefully it helps in your future development to reduce the code and give you some cleaner code in your project. That's it for today. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye.